number of different things. So that's how easy it is to insert a custom Candy Factory title on top of lengthy video. Extremely easy to do. Next, we're going to show you how to use Candy Factory to create custom lower 1/3 custom masks. And again, it's very easy. We'll go ahead and play this out. Let's go back to our main edit screen and click play. And there's our guys, and then our commentators should come up. A couple seconds, and boom, we've got our poker guys. Now this particular Candy Factory deal was kind of wild, but you've got a choice of over 100 and some odd predefined archives. So okay, let's move on to the next portion. Let's go ahead and add a couple color bars up here, and let's create a couple new color bars down here, and let's start our new section. Let's start by grabbing our poker commentators here, and let's go into special, and we're going to copy this clip, and we're going to delete the clip, and we're going to scroll all the way to the end of our project and undelete it, and we're going to add that to our storyboard. Now we're going to need to create a couple masks. So again, we're going to go into new, and we're going to go into patterns, and we're going to select a pattern from Candy Factory. We're going to do the masks this time. Product Candy Factory, type as mask, and let's go in and grab a nice little bar down here. That might be nice. Alright, let's put them in a heart. That'll be kind of fun. Let's go ahead and click OK, and let's allow distortion so it'll stretch that heart to be the the length, the size of our video. And let's move our the length of our mask should be the same size as our background video. Okay, now we need to add our mask up to our storyboard. Again, the background's on the left, and our scene B is going to be the black and white video. That's kind of how Candy Factory works. Next, let's get into transitions, and here we have Candy Factory. We're going to add Candy Factory up to the storyboard. We are going to need to change our transition length once again to the full length of both videos, which is 822. Hit OK, and again, I just leave my options here to scene on and moving scene. That always seems to work the best. Let's go ahead and start the program. And again, we can go in and change the archive, load an archive of any of the ones that we want to. Let's try something. Let's try the dark moon. We can load in one of my favorites, I think. Here's some clouds. And let's see here. One of my favorites that I found so far is 5 Star 3. Well, I'm not real crazy about that look. Let's try there we go, Fire Gold 2. That's kind of cool. And once you find the one that you want, and again, you can go in and change the lighting or the material, shadow settings. There we go, there's our light settings, and you can change the lighting effects to be wherever you want to. You can see as I move that, you're changing the way the light shines upon, in this case it looks like a bronze metal or something. So Anyway, you find what you want and you set it. You can also set the positioning of the lighting and change all different sorts of stuff about it. So let's go click on our wrench down here in the bottom right hand corner. That'll take us back, and again we can create the clip, and now we have a custom overlay on top of our video. And there was hundreds to choose from, and you can also choose masks from other packages like VME 50, Video Spice Rack, you know, a number of different masks you have to choose from. So there's also a bunch of lower 1/3s in there that you can have, and then turn right around and put text on top of them. So you can see it's a pretty robust program that has really unlimited options. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel this out, and I'm going to just show you again real quick you know, a few of the examples that I used. Pretty cool. Really, really cool. On the vertical scrolling, again, we did the same thing. We put the flower as the background, and then I went in and made, I put a V scroll for the titling, and it was again just white letters on a black background. And you do it, you know, the same way. You get into Candy Factory and change your times, and then you're off to the races. So I hope this has helped you out with Candy Factory, get you started and get you up and running. Again, if you haven't received Candy Factory, you can call us and we'll send you a CD. The phone number here is 806-773-6044. Again, that's 806-773-6044. Thank you.